going on, guys? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building, here with the Google Pixel 3 XL. And I also got some accessories that I want to share with you guys. I have a case by Spigen that we have right here. This is the Spigen Rugged Armor for the 3 XL, and I've been using it, for about a week now. Along with the phone, I got everything at the same time. So I got the phone and I got the case, the Spigen case right here. And I also got this tempered glass screen protector that is already installed on the phone. This one is from Mr. Shield. Very, very good screen protector. I can definitely vouch for this screen protector here. It does have 9H hardness, and it also has that 2.5D. So you get three tempered glass screen protectors, which I thought was real good. So I got this package deal for 14 bucks. Tempered glass screen protectors for $4.99, and I believe the case was like $9 or something like that. So here's the case. I did take it off to show you guys. We do have some branding on here. It says Spigen. On the bottom it has like that carbon fiber feel. It's a definitely really good feeling case. It's flexible and it offers some pretty good protection. I'll show you guys that here in a second. We do have some branding on the inside. So let's take a look at this tempered glass screen protector real quick on the phone, so you guys can see how it goes to the edges. You guys can see it definitely goes all the way to the edges, all around. There's no rainbow effect with it or nothing like that. It was pretty easy install. As long as you line it up right, you shouldn't have any problems. You can see it just looks perfect on this phone, and it's a pretty sweet tempered glass screen protector for $5, man. You get 3 of them. So let's go ahead and smack the case on real quick. I can show you guys the case. It also fits really, really well with this phone. You do have the cutout for the camera on the back. Fingerprint reader. You got some, like I said, Spigen branding right there. And then on the right side, we do have the power button along with the volume rockers, and they're not fully covered up. You do have a little gap in there for, to be able to press them. So they're nice and easily accessible. So they're not really hard to press or nothing like that. And then we also have that flat. It will not rest on the screen. It'll actually rest on the case, so it's real nice. So bottom, we do have a cutout for USB Type-C, and we do have a cutout for that notch on the top. So I've had a tempered glass on there for about a week, and I've had the case on there for about a week, and I can tell you that all 3 have been awesome. I mean, if you know what I do for a living, I'm a blue collar worker, and this tempered glass screen protector doesn't even have a scratch on it, and that's with all kinds of dust particles and stuff that I deal with, all grindings and all that. So it's held up really, really well. Not even a scratch on it. The case also, look at that, the case is mint condition too. So I would say the case, tempered glass screen protector, definitely get a thumbs up. The phone so far has been very smooth. Google Pixel 3 has been very smooth, like always, like its smaller brother. Smaller brother also ran really, really good. I do have this January 5th security patch update, which fixed the cameras, and this phone is definitely a beast right now. I wish they would have done that from the get-go. I wish it wouldn't have had audio issues while recording video. It would have done a lot better, I think, in my opinion. But yeah, here you guys have these awesome products that I'm showing you guys, and stay tuned for some more videos on the Google Pixel 3 XL. I'm out.